For this assignment, you are going to create a digital collage using Canva. So I'm already in Canva, and I just searched collage and a couple of different options come up. I'm going to choose photo collage. So if you want to create something not using my template that I provided, you can totally do it that way. So it created a blank template for me, and I'm going to go ahead and pick one. I kind of like some of the elements that are in this one, but I think it could be a little bit more fun. So you can search through all of these different kinds of templates and pick one that you like. I'm going to stick with this one that's a little bit more simplistic. And then I'm just going to start by deleting all the photographs that are on it. And I'm going to make mine about art. So I'm going to go to elements and I'm literally just going to type in art. You can use your own photographs if you want to. You can upload pictures of people, pictures of your artwork, pictures of artwork that you like, whatever you want to do. Or you can upload using elements that are already created in Canva. So I'm going to search through some of the art photos and figure out kind of the vibe that I'm going for. I think I just want to focus around different colors. So I kind of like that one. And then I really like when it comes up with the magic recommendations. So I can find very similar things to kind of curate something that feels a little bit more similar across the board. I kind of like throwing some actual art supplies in there. And I'm just going to pick one more. Do a paint palette. So these to me kind of go together. If you want to, you can copy these elements and paste it to add more if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. And then I'm going to change all of the elements based on the color scheme that I'm going for. So maybe I want to keep the rainbow, but I do want to change the color. So I'm going to make white lines. I'm going to use a more muted green, a more muted purple. So here it pulls in the colors from the photos that I've entered. So I can just pick those exact colors, which is kind of fun. And then same with this one. I'm going to change it to the color of the artwork. And it gives it a little bit more consistency. And then I'm just going to delete some of these and add new elements. And I kind of like the background it's on, so I'm going to keep that. I'm going to click out of photos, and I'm just going to add my own kind of graphics here. I think scissors are kind of fun. So you're just kind of creating a collage to showcase some of the things that you like. And you can totally personalize everything. You can change the background. To do that, you're going to type in background, and a bunch of different simple backgrounds will come up. So you can add different photos. And then you can collage more elements on top of this. So you can really fill it up. And then also if you just search collage, some cool stuff comes up. And it kind of looks like handmade art, which I think is kind of fun. So you can add in some of those elements as well, if you'd like. And for this one, it might be easier if you want to stick to a specific theme. When you have a lot going on, it can kind of look cluttered. But if you choose a theme, it will kind of simplify your idea down. And then once you are finished with this, you can just upload a snip of your final design.